Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Radha Ayu Wellness, your new home for holistic mental wellness. I am Ayushi Pandey, and in our very first video today, we are diving into one of life's most intriguing questions. Can love really cure depression? Imagine love as a healing light that not only brightens your day but also mends the deepest wounds. Let's journey together through inspiring stories, cutting edge science, and heartfelt wisdom to uncover how the love we give and receive can transform our mental being. Depression isn't just only about feeling sad, it is multifaceted challenge that touches every part of our lives. But here's a hopeful secret. Research shows that quality of our relationships, the warmth of a friend's hug, the gentle support of a partner, or even the power of self love can significantly lower our risk of depression. Imagine two paths, one lined with toxic negativity and another paved with genuine love. Studies have found that those walking the path of high quality, nurturing relationships have almost half the risk of falling into depression compared to those on the other side. Let's get a bit scientific, but stay with me. It's truly fascinating. When we feel deeply loved, our bodies release oxytocin, affectionately known as the love hormone. Picture it as soothing balm that calms your fear by quieting the amygdala, the part of the brain that reacts to stress and fear. The warm embrace or a kind word isn't just heartwarming, it's a biological boost for your mental health. And guess what? Love isn't only about romance. Think of the laughter shared with a dear friend, unconditional care from a family member, or even the quiet moments of self-compassion. These bonds create network of support that reinforces our emotional resilience and lights up our inner world. In ancient India, the internal wisdom of Hindu spirituality and Ayurveda has long celebrated love as a healing force. Bhakti Yoga is a spiritual path in Hinduism that emphasizes loving devotion towards your preferred or most loved deity, rather than relying primarily on knowledge or ritual action. Bhakti Yoga is more focused on cultivating a deep, emotional, and selfless love for the divine. Sometimes a few powerful words can change your entire day. Let's take a moment to reflect on some quotes that have lifted up the paths of many. Nikki Giovanni once said, "We love because it's the only true adventure." This reminds us that stepping into love, whether it's with other or for ourselves, is bold journeys with full of possibilities. Brené Brown inspires us with owning our story and loving ourselves through that process is the bravest thing that we'll ever do. Embracing self love is a revolutionary act that heals from inside and out. And as Maya Angelou beautifully put it, we may encounter many defeats, but we must not be defeated. Each act of love, no matter how small, builds our strength and resilience. Let's bring it to home with some actionable tips. Think of love as your secret superpower that you can nurture every day. Number 1. Invest in connections. Schedule regular catch ups with friends or family. Even a brief, heartfelt conversation can be a powerful reminder that you are not alone. Number 2. Embrace self compassion. Start your day with affirmations. Tell yourself, "I am worthy of love and kindness." Small acts of self care, like a quiet cup of tea or a peaceful walk, can work wonders. Number 3. Give and receive support. Remember, love is a two-way street. Allow yourself to lean on others and also be that supportive presence for someone else. Number 4. Engage in devotional practices. Bhakti Yoga shows us that devotion can lift up the spirit, whether through reading sacred text, listening to devotional music, or simply praying with an open heart. Let love guide your actions. Each of these steps can light a spark in your life, creating a ripple effect of positivity that combats depression. And always, if you find yourself struggling, please consider seeking help from a certified mental health professional. Our love for ourselves sometimes means asking for help when needed. As we wrap up today's exploration. Think of love as both your anchor and your compass. Science tells us that gentle power of love, whether in warm embrace, a listening ear, or a kind thought, can fundamentally transform our mental well-being. Thank you for joining me on this journey at Radha Ayu Wellness today. If this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need an extra love today. And drop a comment below to share your own stories of healing and hope. Remember, you are cherished and your mental health matters. Until next time, keep loving and keep healing.